In this video, we're going to talk about kalilinux, a penetration testing distribution of Linux. We'll cover what kalilinux is, what it's used for, how to install it, some of the tools that come pre-installed with kalilinux. What is kalilinux? Kalilinux is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It comes preloaded with a wide variety of security tools, including network scanners, password crackers, and exploit frameworks. Kalilinux is used by security professionals, ethical hackers, and penetration testers to assess the security of computer systems and networks. What is penetration testing? Penetration testing is the process of simulating an attack on a computer system or network in order to identify security vulnerabilities. Penetration testers use a variety of tools and techniques to exploit vulnerabilities, such as network scanning, password cracking, and social engineering. The goal of penetration testing is to identify and fix security vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. History of kalilinux. Kalilinux was originally developed by Offensive Security in 2013 as a successor to Backtrack-Linux. Backtrack-Linux was a popular penetration testing distribution, but it was discontinued in 2013. Kalilinux was created to fill the void left by Backtrack-Linux, and it has quickly become one of the most popular penetration testing distributions available. Kalilinux features. Kalilinux comes preloaded with a wide variety of security tools, including network scanners, password crackers, exploit frameworks, forensics tools, reverse engineering tools, wireless hacking tools. Kalilinux is also regularly updated with new security tools and features. This makes kalilinux a powerful and versatile penetration testing distribution. How to install kalilinux. Kalilinux can be installed on a variety of hardware platforms, including laptops, desktops, and servers. The easiest way to install kalilinux is to use a virtual machine. There are a number of free and open-source virtualization software packages available, such as VirtualBox and VMware Player. Once you have installed a virtualization software package, you can download the kalilinux ISO file from the kalilinux website. The ISO file can be burned to a DVD or USB drive, or you can use it to create a virtual machine. Kalilinux tools. Kalilinux comes preloaded with a wide variety of security tools, including network scanners. Network scanners are used to identify and map networks. Nmap, NetDiscover, ZenMap. Password crackers. Password crackers are used to crack passwords. John the Ripper, Hydra, Aircrack-ng. Exploit frameworks. Exploit frameworks are used to exploit vulnerabilities. Metasploit, ExploitDB, Nessus. Forensics tools. Forensics tools are used to collect and analyze evidence. The Sleuth Kit, Autopsy, Wireshark. Reverse engineering tools. Reverse engineering tools are used to reverse engineer software. Ghidra, IDA-Pro, Radar2. Wireless hacking tools. Wireless hacking tools are used to hack wireless networks. Aircrack-ng, Wi-Fi, Kismet. Kalilinux documentation. Kalilinux comes with extensive documentation. The documentation can be found on the Kalilinux website. The documentation includes tutorials, guides, and reference material. Kalilinux community. Kalilinux has a large and active community. The community can be found on the Kalilinux forums, IRC channel, and mailing list. The community is a great resource for help and support. Conclusion. In this video, we've talked about kalilinux, a penetration testing distribution of Linux. We've covered what kalilinux is, what it's used for, and how to install it. We've also taken a look at some of the tools that come pre-installed with kalilinux. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about kalilinux, I encourage you to check out the kalilinux website. There are also a number of books and articles available on kalilinux. Would you like to learn about the top 5 most prevalent and perilous hacking attacks? I will cover them now. Click on the video that is shown on the screen.